In this lesson, we'll be covering traditional for loops. The reason why they're called traditional for loops is because the syntax is derived from Java and other languages. There's other for loops as well, but we'll first be covering the traditional one and then have other lessons on the other ones. So the syntax for the traditional for loop is starting with for, and then you're going to have your initial statement, semicolon, your exit condition, semicolon, and then your increment statement, and then your block of code. So the initial statement is going to be, actually I'll just show you because it'll be easier to show. So for the initial statement, what you'll generally see is integer I equals 0, semicolon. Your exit statement is going to be, we're going to again use this to loop through a list of accounts. So we'll have account list, and then select the ID and name from account, limit to 10. And then for the exit condition, it's going to be as long as, it's going to be once this condition turns to false. So again, we'll do account list dot size. So I is less than account list dot size. And then we have our increment statement. So what do we want to increment? We want to increment I. So we'll do I plus plus. And the reason for that is because we are first initializing I at 0, and then we're checking the condition for I is less than the account size, and then we're incrementing it as well. So then we can do, just like the last one, system.debug, and then account list, and we can use I plus space plus I. So then we'll be looping through and getting each record from the account list. So if I run that, we will see as I run that, I can see the account. Oh, this time I didn't do the name, but that's okay. So we can see the account record, and then the ID and the name, and then the integer, which is 0, 1 through 9 for the index. So then what we can also do is, because this is an increment statement, we could, if we wanted to, most of the time this doesn't occur. It's more of I++ is generally is the common one that I see. But if we wanted to skip every other, we can. So as we can see, we only have 5 records now instead of 10. And this is the traditional for loop.